Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious popsicles without molds and sticks. It's simpler than you think. First, gather your favorite juice or blended fruit mixture. Next, find some small paper cups, an ice cube tray, or even small plastic containers. These will serve as your temporary molds. We'll also explore how to create a simple cover and insert a makeshift stick, ensuring your homemade treats are perfect every time. Let's get started. Now let's prepare your popsicle mixture. You can use almost anything. Think about fresh fruit purees, your favorite juice, or even a creamy yogurt blend. Pour your chosen liquid into your containers, whether they are small paper cups or an ice cube tray. Remember to leave a little room at the top, about 1/4 of an inch, as liquids expand slightly when they freeze. This prevents any messy overflows. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Treat your feet to darn tough socks, known for their incredible comfort and a lifetime warranty. You can find the link to these amazing socks and other deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your containers are filled, it's time to prepare them for freezing. Take a small piece of aluminum foil and gently cover the top of each cup or tray. Press the foil down around the edges to secure it. Then, carefully poke a small hole in the center of each foil cover and insert your chosen stick, like a plastic spoon or a sturdy toothpick. Place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are perfectly solid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.